Alright, so I have finished the installation of the Aquasana whole house water filtration system and salt-free softener, as well as a UV add-on. So you can see our line that comes from the house comes in down there, goes up, and then it comes down this piece and into the system. At this point, there's a tee-off that goes up to this valve. This is our bypass. So if I ever need to work on the system, I can close off over here, open there, and then that will bypass. It'll go over around to there. This tap will be closed, so there's no back pressure. It'll come around and up to the house. Otherwise, now you can see this is closed. So in regular configuration, the water will come through here into the pre-filter, through the water filter, through the softener, out to the post filter, and then I have PVC piping that goes to our UV and then out from our UV. So they had this in their drawings, but it didn't explicitly mention it. UV will degrade PEX piping, so that's why I have PVC here, and that's why we have the elbow. So if you were to have a piece of PEX here, by going 90 out, 90 there, and this way, you're not allowing that light to hit your PEX, so it won't damage it. And I've done the same on the other side. I've gone, yeah, put in the 90s, and then it switches to PEX on this piece. But by the time we get to that, there's nothing left of the UV, so it's not going to damage that PEX. And that is the whole system. I installed it myself. It took probably about 5-6 hours just with figuring out and doing it. And the only other thing that I added that's not on their drawing is this tap over here, because the initial flush comes out of this line where you hook up to a hose, but I didn't want the initial flush of the system to come hit my post filter. So I put this tap in, closed that off, flushed the whole system before hitting that post filter, and then that's how I set it up.